welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another POV drive. On today's video, as you guys can see, we have some snow.
Yeah, boy.
And we're gonna go out and see if we can do some donuts in the snow. Maybe I can find a place. The roads are clean right now, but hopefully we can find a parking lot and then do donuts for you guys. So that's gonna be today's video. I wanna thank you guys for watching, viewing, subscribing. If you guys like this video, please hit the button and also share with your people. So all right, you guys, we're gonna get right into it, and yeah. All right, you guys, so we just got to the location. You guys will see in the GoPro that as I was coming in here, I started to do some donuts, but this is the state of the car right now. I'm gonna set up the camera over there so you guys can see me doing donuts in here. By the way, this is a secret location, so yeah, so we'll get right into it, you guys. Yeah, I'll show you guys some clips. Alright, you guys, so that's gonna be the end of it. I don't want anyone to come back here or somebody to call the police on me because there are cameras over here, so they might record this and send it. But I hope you guys like that little video. But yeah, you guys, that's me doing donuts in the Audi S4. I did not expect this to be like this. I expected it to be clean and stuff like that, but yeah, we got some good footage in, you guys. So thank you guys for watching and reviewing, and we're gonna disappear now because yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.